Shop Talk. We're looking at that Husqvarna 272 XP chainsaw, 72 cc's. This one features a new 24-inch Husqvarna bar and 3/8 chain. That's a skip sequence. Sprocket nose bar. Skip being the sequence between the teeth, spacing, chisel bit, and we'll look at some of the features this saw has. I did do a compression check. It has 165 psi. Kill switch is right here on the left. Choke is on the right. It does have a throttle lock. You squeeze this throttle lock down and trigger, and it locks it at about a quarter throttle, making it easier to start this very high compression engine. You'll want to start this one on the ground. It is a very high compression motor, and you'll use the foot pad and hand protector. It's a dual feature here. Works as a hand protector in case of a chain throwing incident. Functions as a foot pad when starting this saw on the ground. Foot in place, good grip on the handlebars, and then you start this motor. It is a hand guard only. That's not a chain brake, that's just a hand guard. Got the falling spike on it. To adjust the tension on this, loosen the two nuts up, and right on the inside here is your chain tensioner. Very popular saw, very powerful. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.